That one's pulling drag. Yeah, that one's way too big. And that was recording. That might be my 10. Giant female. Well, I did it. There's your 10-inch bluegill. Happens to be a big fat female too. I'm gonna weigh her really quick. She probably would have been close to 2 pounds had she just been pre-spawn, but we will see. What is that? 1 pound, 8 ounces. Not bad for a quick day on the water. She's got some really cool colors too. I love it when they get those bars and stuff like that. All right, this girl gets to go back. Well, I guess I can call today a success.